Hi guys, my name is Lena and today I would like to show you what I got from George Kini watch by doing a little unpacking. So let's start. It comes in this white box. The model that I got is the newest model of George Kini. It's so nice and it's so cool. The watch itself, it's so stylish and it's so beautiful. It has some golden details which makes it look so elegant, and it literally will match with all the outfits I have. It's just how I want it to be. And this is how it looks like on my wrist. I love it. It's so beautiful and the quality is amazing. Thank you George Kini for such a nice design and for this beautiful style.